Well, you didn't have much time, or we didn't have much time to work with those.
Nope.
Can't see, sun's in my eyes. We're using this epoxy AT-XP. Simpson's always makes awesome stuff. And these bolts have only been in there for like, what, a few minutes, and you already can't wiggle them.
Yep.
So that's some good stuff. Now those were wedge anchors. We didn't have to use epoxy, but this is holding up this floor. I'm also going to put some stiff legs going down to the footing just to make sure. What do you think?
Yeah, that's strong.
We got the crawl space all cleaned out. This is going to be a encapsulated crawl space, so I want it to be kind of neat and clean before you start floor framing. Maybe Paco won't throw all these wrappers, beer bottles down there. And this is that's probably like 7 feet there. So this area of the crawl space will be nice storage. And then we'll put the heat and air unit somewhere up here, strapped to the bottom of the joist. But we should be good to go. Framing lumber's coming tomorrow. Paco, I think, shows it the next day. It's gonna be fun.
Cool, Dad. Yeah.